What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Pnut the Squirrel, which I did give you guys a prediction on a couple of days ago. However, since then it has literally been flying, especially in the last 24 hours. It has gained over 300% guys, which is absolutely insane. I did not predict this. Reason it initially pumped was because it got listed on Binance about 2 days ago on the 11th of November, and since then it has gone crazy. So we're going to be going through what is next for Pnut the Squirrel. Is it one to be investing, or so those of you guys who have bought it, is it time to sell it and take out your profits, or is it simply time to hold on to it going into 2025 and for the rest of November, December as well? So essentially I'm going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and as well as looking at its short term and long term prediction is not going to be as accurate, and I won't be doing it because, as you guys know, there is not much historical data on the crypto. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we are looking at the hourly chart because on the daily chart there is not much data. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart and we'll work our way up, and let's bring on the MACD indicator as well. And again, just a little disclaimer, as usual guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and indeed they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. However, I understand why it's looking so steep is due to the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours, but especially over the last couple of hours here, it has gained an insane amount. So the graph is predicting it to keep pumping and keep jumping up in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, I am expecting it to trade at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Reason being is the crypto is slightly overvalued right now. It's pumped up way too much and it has to go for a price correction later on this evening, afternoon time, making it drop down just around $1.35 to $1.40 is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at. However, at the moment it is pumping and it's still likely to pump up higher to about 180, 185 over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to hit red candles, dropping back down in value, taking a little bit of a hit. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and indeed looking quite steep as well. Again, this is not as realistic as it seems, exact same reason as the previous chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, what is my prediction for Pnut the Squirrel? Again, even the next week or so is hard to say due to the lack of data. However, I'm expecting it to have dropped back down in value guys, even though it is likely to hit the $2 mark potentially by the end of this week. It is then likely to hit red candles, dropping back down to around $1.10, $1.20. Again, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis. If there are any major changes to this, I will let you guys know, and even if there isn't, I'll keep you guys updated just to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect and what to predict from Pnut the Squirrel. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And for those of you guys who are new to this crypto, it was only listed about a couple of days ago on Binance, and that's why we saw the initial pump, and right now it is starting to pump up once again guys. So moving on to the daily chart, there is no MACD indicator, meaning the long-term prediction is not possible due to the lack of data, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. So at the moment we are sticking to the short-term trade, but again, regular updates means you guys will be able to keep in the loop. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. Heading back into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see over the last 7 days itself, it has pumped up over 1,600%. But this is the main part, guys. The trading volume has gone up over 220%, making it $3.33 billion in trading for a crypto that was listed on Binance a few days ago. That is absolutely insane. So right now it is getting a lot of attention in the crypto market, and a lot of people are trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. Now onto the topic of, is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it time to hold? Personally, I would not invest into this crypto right now because firstly, the long-term prediction is not possible, and I'm a long-term holder, so I would not be investing into at the moment, and even in the near future I will not be doing so, because as mentioned, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming week, and especially towards the end of November, December. I'm not expecting any major pumps from this crypto. In fact, I'm expecting it to crash back down in value, but that is just a prediction from at the moment. Again, I may be wrong, but that's why I'm going to keep you guys updated on a regular basis. However, is it time to sell if you're on a profit? For example, if I invested $1,000 earlier on the week, I would most definitely be on a profit right now, and I would most likely take out about $600 to $700, take out majority of my investment, take out the profit, and keep another about $300 to $400 for the long term. In case it does blow up, then yes, I still have some investment into it, but I have taken out majority of my investment as well as profit on top, which for me is a win-win situation. I haven't really made a loss even if it crashes, because I've taken a profit as well as my majority of my investment. And would I hold on to it? Again, as I mentioned, same as if I was selling it, yes, I would I would hold on to it. However, I would sell majority of my investment into this crypto and just keep a tiny bit in case it does go up in value. But that is my take and my prediction on Pnut the Squirrel. A lot of people have been saying it's likely to hit the $5 mark by the end of the year, guys, which is the next 6 to 7 weeks, which I highly doubt and I don't agree with, because for it to hit $5, it will require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from Pnut the Squirrel. However, if you guys are expecting this crypto to head up to $5, or what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024, let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.